Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's incredible success story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into how the world's most powerful tech giants and empires are built. Now, let's get into the video. The story of Google is the defining narrative of the information age. It began in the late 1990s at Stanford University, where two doctoral students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were obsessed with a simple, yet daunting problem: how to organize the chaotic, rapidly expanding mess of the World Wide Web. Their breakthrough wasn't just a better search engine, it was a new way of understanding human knowledge. While early search engines ranked results based on how often keywords appeared on a page, Page and Brin introduced PageRank, an algorithm that measured the importance of a website by how many other pages linked to it. It was, in essence, a mathematical way of measuring popularity and credibility. The story officially began in a suburban garage in Menlo Park, California, in 1998. With a small initial investment, they transformed a cluttered workspace into the birthplace of a company that would eventually touch the lives of billions. As the internet exploded in popularity at the turn of the millennium, Google Search became the default gateway to the digital world. It was fast, clean, and frighteningly accurate. But the internet was growing faster than any infrastructure could handle. To keep up, Google had to build the world's most sophisticated network of data centers, sprawling facilities filled with tens of thousands of servers that act as the physical brain of the global internet. Once they mastered information, they moved to space. The launch of Google Maps in 2005 fundamentally changed how we navigate our planet, turning the globe into a searchable, interactive interface. Then came 2008, the year that changed mobile computing forever, the launch of Android. By providing a free, open-source operating system to hardware manufacturers, Google ensured that their services would be in the pocket of every human on Earth. Their strategic genius was further proven in 2006 with the acquisition of YouTube. At the time, critics thought the price tag was absurd. Today, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and the primary source of entertainment for an entire generation. But how do you pay for all of this? Through the creation of the greatest advertising machine ever built, Google Ads. By connecting advertisers with users based on their specific, real-time search intent, Google created a revenue engine that generates tens of billions of dollars every single quarter, essentially subsidizing the free tools we use every single day. This financial juggernaut allowed them to innovate aggressively, leading to the launch of Google Chrome in 2008. Chrome didn't just become a browser, it became a platform that optimized the performance of the entire web, further cementing Google's hold on user data and experience. As the industry shifted toward decentralized computing, Google pivoted toward the sky with Google Cloud. It isn't just about hosting files, it is about providing the raw computational power for other companies to build their own AI systems. And speaking of AI, we are currently witnessing the most significant transition in Google's history. From the early experiments in deep learning to the current, cutting-edge capabilities of Gemini, Google is moving from a company that organizes information to a company that synthesizes it. This goes beyond software. With their investments in robotics and advanced hardware, they are trying to bridge the gap between digital intelligence and physical execution. Their corporate campus, the Googleplex, has become a symbol of this unique culture, a mix of academic curiosity, engineering rigor, and a relentless drive to solve the impossible. The impact of Google is global in every sense of the word. They have democratized access to information, from a student in a rural village to a researcher in a top-tier university. This reach has made Google one of the most financially successful entities in history, with a market capitalization that consistently ranks among the highest in the world. But they aren't stopping at traditional computing. Deep inside their research labs, Google is pioneering quantum computing projects that promise to solve problems, in chemistry, material science, and medicine, that would take conventional supercomputers thousands of years to calculate. They are literally trying to rewrite the laws of what is possible in engineering. When we look toward the future, Google is positioning itself as the infrastructure of the human experience. Whether it is through self-driving car technology, advanced medical diagnostics, or the next generation of artificial intelligence, Google is betting on a world where technology is invisible, ambient, and hyper-intelligent. This trajectory is not just about keeping their shareholders happy. It is about maintaining their position as the primary architect of the information age. They are no longer just a search company, they are a fundamental utility for modern civilization. As a final symbol, Google stands as a testament to the fact that when you take an academic insight and scale it with industrial precision, you can fundamentally alter the trajectory of human history. They proved that in the digital world, the most valuable resource isn't oil or land, it is the ability to connect a question to an answer in less than a second. This company of nearly 200,000 employees continues to shape the global flow of knowledge, innovation, and commerce. It is a story of how a simple search box turned into the most powerful tool ever created by mankind. The Google model is not just about indexing the web, it is about attempting to map and understand the entirety of human collective knowledge. This is the secret of their success, and it remains a model that the rest of the world is still trying to decode, compete with, and follow. If you enjoyed this deep business breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.